Right now, the defense sentiment score is at minus 0.13, which is notably lower than our historical baseline. This dip, paired with a significant momentum increase of plus 0.61 over the last 24 hours, indicates a divergence that shouldn't be overlooked. With 20 semantic clusters denoting various themes within defense discussions, you can drill down into what's driving this shift. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of sentiment and momentum, enabling you to identify key trends and sentiment drivers in real time. Imagine you're developing an application that predicts shifts in defense policy discourse. This data can help you refine your models and enhance your insights. Dive deeper into this data and more at pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs.